Championships is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
finishing there as they get around and they head down for their second turn of 3. Perfect timing as we come down Maluluba. Golden Masked Woman still got half a length lead at the moment. They go into the turn. Look at them. Look there, each one of those paddlers has a duty or has a role to play and making sure they get around well. Look at them come around 180-degree turn out there. Maluluba being chased out there. Outside of it is Te Urere Matawera. That's only halfway. One more turn to go as they head up towards that 250-metre flags here. A little bit of an run from there out there in lane number 2. That would be Hawaii. Let me remind you who's on the race course. In lane 1 it's USA, in lane 2 Hawaii, lane 3 Australia, lane 4 Aotearoa New Zealand, lane 5 Tahiti, and lane 6 Brazil. Oh my goodness, there's been a change in the lead on that turn. It is now lane 1. It is Team Cal USA have got the lead there. Just edging out there from Australia. We have Maluluba. They are the two that are up there. They're fighting neck and neck, chasing hard out there in lane number 4. Aotearoa New Zealand, Te Urere Matawera. They are getting up there. Tahiti are still down there, pushing along. Also Brazil out there in lane number 6. So they're coming down there. This is the last. There's no more turns. This is it. So let's see how they got up there. Looks like the USA, they were playing cat and mouse out there in the first legs there before the first turn. And it was Australia who had the lead. Team Cal got the lead now. Maluluba chasing, and they will not make it up, I don't think. It's not over till it's over, as they say. And looking down on this race course, it looks like Team Cal are going to hold on to their lead. We'll wait till the finish and we'll get there. They're coming through those marker boys now. Not far to go. Team Cal will take it off there. Lane 1 and 3. It is there. Australia, Maluluba, who will take out this third place here. And it looks like lane number 4, Aotearoa New Zealand. Great racing out there. You just watched race number 319. Master 60 Woman V6 1000 metre heat 1 of 6. Back to calls. Racing is going to come thick and fast. All starts down here at the tower end of this race course, at the spectator end of this race course. So as one event finishes, they'll paddle to the pontoons, and the Va'a for the next race are going to be ready out there on the water. Under starters orders, white flag. Racing on to order race number 320, the Master 60 Women V6 1000 metre heat number 2 of 6. Lane 1 Singapore, lane 2 Aotearoa New Zealand, lane 3 Hawaii, lane 4 Canada, lane 5 Australia, lane 6 USA. Black flag, someone's over the line. They have to move back. No verbal commands given. Here we go now. We have a start in this race on the water once again. Let me tell you who's out there. It is race number 320, the Master 60 Women V6 1000 metre heat number 2. Lane 1, Canoe Academy Singapore. Lane 2, Hauraki Waka Ngā Kai Tiro Tiro Tohora from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 3, it is 2, Huinalu from Hawaii. Lane 4, FGPC Pure Stoke Canada. Lane 5 we have Sunshine Coast Golden Master Woman Australia, and in lane number 6 we have Norcal 60S from the USA. They're going around to their first turn of three turns with this 1000 metre on a 250 metre course. And so let's see how they go. They're heading up quite nicely indeed, looking pretty much lined up, especially in these outer lanes here. In lane 6, once again USA, in lane 5 Australia, lane 4 Canada, lane 3 Hawaii, lane 2 is Aotearoa New Zealand, and lane 1 Singapore. So it's down here as closest to us. They go into their turn first. It is USA from Norcal 60S. It's gone in first. Australia gone in there, and out come the USA. They've done a fine turn indeed. They will get a bit more of a lead there as they head out for their next turn. We will go back to more calls. Oh, no, no. They're gone around the big flag. That is a big error, sorry. Alrighty, that's not the first time I've seen that happen, and it certainly won't be the last time. But it is the small flags that are the racecourse, official racecourse. That is the pre-start line, remember that. So it is the small flags down here and the big flags at the other end. Off they go there. We'll go back to some more calls as we got these ladies heading up for their final turn. And so who do we have up the front now? We have over there, it is Australia, Sunshine Coast, Golden Master Woman, and USA. They are getting up to their final turn now. As they head up there, it's going to be a race now. It's going to be out there Australia, and inside them it's Canada, and inside them is Hawaii, and inside them is Aotearoa, New Zealand, as they come down on their last leg. Here we go, we're coming down to the finish in lane 5. It is Australia, in 4 it's Canada, in 3 it's Hawaii. Who's got it at the moment? Is it out there? Is Canada going to come home and take this one out there? As they looking strong out there. It is Canada, Hawaii, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Those are the ones that are going for it. It's now Canada and Hawaii. Hawaii got the lead. Canada coming back. Hawaii, Canada. Oh! It's a close one. A very close finish out there. Aotearoa, New Zealand in 3rd place. Great racing out there. Race number 320. Master 60 woman, V6 1000 metre, heat 2 of 6.
All right, here we go. Race 3-2-1, Master 60, Heat 3, Lane 1, PG Mannheim from Germany. Lane 2, New South, Australia. Lane 3, Mana Pacifica, Manatai, Aotearoa. Lane 4, Hawaii Maui, Laulokai Red. Lane 5, USA, Wicked Wahinis. And lane 6, from the north, Canada, the Canadian Seawolves. Oh, cool name. There we go, coming up to the start. Red flags up. Look, black flags up. Black flags up. Come on, gang, the black flag's still up. Somebody's up in front. Okay, gang, race not going to start until the black flag goes down. All right, looking okay. All right, Ibua. All right, here we go. This is the excitement, that 3-turn race today, a lot of turns. Yeah, so let's see what happens on these turns. A lot of Hawaiians do the regatta season in Hawaii with turns, so let's see what's happening with the Hawaiians and the rest of the country. Awesome turns on some of the other guys. Yeah, let's see. So aloha kakeaka, everybody. Taking